prompt dependency. How many of you have a child, know a child, or work with an individual that when requested to complete an activity, especially a novel activity, so something that they previously haven't displayed mastery of, and they just provide no response? So no attempt, not an incorrect response, or not saying I don't know or requesting help, just no response. Oftentimes we see this happen with children that are waiting for prompting to happen. They may even reach their hand out towards you to be seeking that physical prompt to provide the correct answer. This is referred to as prompt dependency, to where our children, loved ones, are not engaging in a learning experience independently and successfully because they are waiting for us to give them the right answer. This makes it easier for them. This is decreasing problem-solving skills, independence, the ability to process information and provide an independent response. Prompt dependency really hinders future frequencies of learning new material. So we need to make sure that our teaching procedures with individuals do not aid or increase prompt dependency. And so by using a prompt hierarchy and staying on the lower level of prompts of the prompt hierarchy, we're going to significantly decrease that prompt dependency. So if we go in level 10 of a prompt hierarchy and provide that full physical prompt, we're going to often result in having a kid that's just going to wait on us to provide them that full physical prompt to give them the correct answer. Let's start by purely implementing a delay. So we request an individual to complete a new activity. So let's say the request is I've got 3 choices: yellow, orange, blue. I want my child to touch the color yellow. I'm just teaching maybe color discrimination. And so after I request them to touch the color yellow, I'm not going to immediately reach over and prompt them to give the right answer. I'm not going to repeat the question or task over and over and over. I'm not going to point to it. I am purely implementing a delay. I'm not doing anything. I'm not prompting them to do anything. I'm allowing this uncomfortable block of time to pass before I provide responding, or before I prompt responding. And after this delay has passed by, if still no responding is occurring, I'm going to stay at those lower levels of the prompt hierarchy. I may provide a visual response or a visual prompt. So I may just hold up a card with a hand that says touch. Remember, I'm wanting you to touch. I may not say, I may just point to it, just the visual touch. That is the prompt to touch the color that I indicated. If that's not working, then I may make a positional prompt. So I may pick the cards up again and I may say, okay, let's try this again. This time I want you to provide an answer all by yourself. Try your best. Lay the cards back out and I'm going to move yellow closer to them than any of the other colors. And I'm going to say, try again, touch yellow. If still no response is happening, then I may provide a gesture. I may just point to the correct response. This is touching yellow, by just gesturing to it. Or I may just provide a gesture with my eyes. I'm looking at yellow. I want you to touch yellow. So instead of just immediately going in, physically hand over hand, prompting, touching yellow, and then moving on, and repeating that over and over and over in mass trial, that is how prompt dependency occurs. We want to allow learning for new material, not previously yet mastered. So the issue is not compliance. The issue is not escape motivated behavior. It's purely just a skill deficit. I need to allow for some uncomfortable time to pass by, and I'm going to provide partial low level prompts. So I may say, when I repeat the task again, I may say, touch the color. Yeah. So maybe just not saying the whole color yellow again, just a partial prompt of yeah. So I'm still allowing for more independency to happen. And I'm really allowing prompt dependency to not be an issue.